big as a horse. It's still there. I'm 100% sure that you can't see him, but I can see him. He's still there. I parked the car, I started, I moved it, I did all kinds of things, and it still stays there. Maybe it's a dangerous one. I don't know.
Ja silloin kun ne lähti lähemmäs, niin se hirvi vähän hyökkäsi. Mä siis ihan tulin keittiöön ja näin ikkunasta, että siinä oli iso hirvi ihan naapurin pihalla. Ja kun katsoin tarkemmin, niin näin myös, että poliisit oli ihan paikalla. Ne meni lähemmäs ja vedellä ja äänellä myös yritti sitä pelätä. Ja silloin kun ne lähti lähemmäs, niin se hirvi vähän hyökkäsi. Aina välillä niin ne oli myös auto.
But I need to watch out for Topsy. He needs to be on the leash here. On the leash. Oh, there he is. He's looking at me. Oh no. That is such a weird feeling. That a huge mammal is there watching me. A free one. A wild one. Yeah, you absolutely can't see that on camera. It's crazy that he stays there. Look. Look. I can see his head and his ears. Oh my God. Oh. You know how dangerous it is. I'm not that far from the car. I'm faster at the car than he's at here. I think he's not that fast. There is a wolf. There. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now he's faster here than this is straight path. Crazy that such a big animal stares at me for minutes. I think we stared at each other for 10-15 minutes and he didn't run. Yeah, he was here at the place. He was here at this round point where I'm gonna sleep. He was here and then he ran in the forest. I thought such a big animal is easy to locate, but they have like a good, yeah, how you call it, core. That was so crazy, such a big animal, wild. Running free. This is the first time I ever had such a huge contact with an animal, a wild animal. Oh. That was crazy. I don't have my good cameras with me, otherwise I probably could have a good photograph or whatever. But that was crazy, crazy. Now I need to let the dog out. He's gonna smell it. He's gonna smell my fear. He wants to play. That's something. I not want to go into the forest. Okie dokie, today we're gonna make something very special, very easy. I have potatoes from yesterday, we're gonna bake them. So we need a pan. It's a very easy, very fast job. And the special thing that we're gonna do is, because the meat here in Sweden is quite expensive. And this is how do you call it? Ground meat? Ground meat or something? Yeah, it's mashed meat or whatever you call it. Gekapt, how we say it. And that's pretty cheap. So we're gonna make our own hamburgers. I wash my hands first, of course. Because we're gonna touch it a lot. The butter melting. So there are not a lot of potatoes. They can bakey. And take a good portion. Because we already have not so many potatoes. And we do black pepper. We do salt. We have that nootmuskaat gedoe. And then we have a grill mix. Just because I bought it this week. Let's add that. And then the ingredient that nobody else uses, I think. It's chapelure. Chapelure. Paneermeel. Oh, do you say that in English? I have no idea. It's breadcrumbs. Now we mix. So we make our own hamburger. It's a big one. Piece for the dog. Here we go. Hey, I bought them a couple of hours ago. And it's already sprouting. This is not doing that fresh. It's laying in the wherever a long time already. I didn't see it when I bought it. So yeah, when I'm in Sweden, I hear that in Sweden fresh vegetables is a thingy. It's not so common. So now, yeah, I know. See, they're even bad. That's really bad. Jesus. I think they are frozen now. And then you have that. That's the outer shell. Let's clean it off. Okay. Everything is gone. See, the inside is almost gone. And they were already expensive, those onions, for when I buy them. The inner circle is okay though. It's really big and old. Wacht hè. Washi. The burgers, the potato and onions, a little bit of ketchup, of course, still have a little bit of apple spice. A little bit of water. It just tastes as beer. That's the difference. And the mayo. Ta-da!